Well, I've been making good progress on the car this weekend. Got a lot of fab work done. Got some coolant lines built, and I got a lot done starting on the turbo kit. So I figured I'd post a little video up, show you guys what I got done this weekend in the car. It's mostly all just fab stuff, but I figured I'd give you a little walkthrough, maybe do a little bit of a breakdown, tell you what the plans are for the turbo kit and stuff like that. So I'll flip this camera around and show you guys what I've done and where we plan to go from here. So starting out down here, you can see the coolant tubes that come off the front of the engine, and there's a Y block that I built. So I made a little Y block to this, and that goes and routes down and under the motor mount, and that's where the hose is gonna connect to it. So you can see it, you can kind of see it down there. That's where it sticks out. So the hose will just slip onto that and then be rubber lined all the way back. And the upper hose is right here. So this one's off the car right now, but kind of give you a little idea of what I had to make for that. So it turned out pretty good. Little Y block. See if I can slip this in here. That's kind of where that sits. You can see it sits right on top, and still got to make mounting brackets for it. But that routes over and down, and once I put the brackets on, it'll clear right between the steering shaft and the frame rail right there. So that'll work really good for doing the coolant lines and all that stuff. Now, aside from doing the coolant lines, I spent almost all day doing that yesterday, but I did get the front crossover built for the turbo. And here's how that turned out. It turned out pretty good, actually. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks killer, in my opinion. You know, it's got a nice little winding design to it that I think looks really good. And you know, the turbo is actually facing pretty forward, like about a 45-degree angle. So I think that thing's just gonna look killer just sticking out the front of the car like that. Now, some people have commented and noticed intake manifold's on backwards, your intake's on backwards, your headers are on backwards, yada yada yada. The reason it's facing backwards and going through the firewall is because I'm running an air-to-water intercooler inside the car. I don't want to put an intercooler in the front of it. Kind of want to do something a little bit different this time, so figured flipping the manifold around, doing an air-to-water inside the car, keep it really nice, clean, tidy on the inside here, and I think it'll look really, really good. So the only thing left, I got to build a downpipe, do some finish welding on it, pick which wastegates I want to run. But we're making progress, moving along, and man, it's starting to feel real to me. So I'm pretty stoked on it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the turbo kit. Coming along great. Haven't picked out wastegates yet. Don't know which ones I want to go with. Wastegates are expensive, so who knows when I'll be able to get those. But that's gonna be it for this one. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And that's it. I'll catch you guys later.